What you are seeing now is the problem.
We must do it right. We must put nature first.
We put health first.
Our country first.
Finally, we put you first. There's more to sewage than we imagine. It can serve you or harm the environment. So the Just One group of companies in partnership with Purico KFT is here to fix it. Now we say, welcome. Years and years of flushing and squatting the unmentionable it down the toilets and pits. Many of us here in the Ashanti region don't know where it goes. Let me tell you. It comes here. It goes straight into the river, the main source of water for watering crops and domestic use for some of us. It crawls behind our homes where our children play. This time, it's coming here, the Kumasi wastewater treatment plant, where wastewater is treated and turned into compost used in the making of charcoal briquettes, biochar, and making water clean and safe enough to return to the environment.
This is just the beginning.
This ultra-modern waste treatment facility will serve over 2 million people, treating wastewater from over 150 cesspit trucks coming in every day.
The first of its kind in the Ashanti region.
The first point of treating the liquid waste begins at the receiving bay. Over 1,000 cubic meters of liquid waste will be received daily. To manage the stench from the sewage, these pipes are installed to a biofilter.
So in the system, anywhere you see this brown pipe, it's an extractor for extracting all the bad odors into the biofilter for treatment. From the receiving bay, this is the next point of contact for the waste material. So we have these 2 pen stocks which we use to control the flow coming through the channels. And these are screens, our stepping screen, which is 20 mm, and we have a 5 mm screen for screening of any form of debris and waste materials that come with the liquid waste, which is taken outside to the landfill. This is our valve space area. We have an emergency basement here and a main tank here. So liquid waste that is coming, if it exceeds the limited pH, is channeled into the emergency basement for treatment before taking into the main buffer for the continuous process. So this is our next buffer tank area. So when the liquid waste that comes here is conditioned for treatment, so we dose hydrated lime from this silo into the liquid waste. So this tank is where we prepare our ferric chloride, and these big tanks are where we store the ferric chloride for dosage into the aeration area. So this unit you see here is a fat, oil and grease remover. At the same time, it takes care of the grits and sand that comes along with the liquid waste. So this is a solid liquid separating area where we do dewatering to separate the solids from the liquid. So the solid goes for treatment and the liquid moves for further treatment. So at this area is a secondary clarifier, and next to it is the biological treatment. So liquid from the dewatering section goes to the biological area for aeration, then it moves to the secondary clarifier for settling. We have a state-of-the-art activated sludge treatment process. We have a 5-bed depot system, which is one of its kind in Africa. It has a series of anoxic and anaerobic and anoxic systems where the waste liquid flows through for treatment.
This final effluent is further treated through a filtration system and is then used in the plant for backwashing, for landscaping purposes, and for washing of the trucks that will discharge here.